Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and healthy. This is Ifhamullah from Diamond English Language and the Computer Academy. I hope you are fine and healthy. So, after a long time, it is the first opportunity that I have got, and I am live on YouTube. It is my first experience here, and I am very happy to doing live stream for you people, and especially all of these students, those students who want to learn English language. And I met some people. Some people they needed suggestion about English because they know about English grammar, and they have quite good knowledge about grammar, but they don't know how to speak English and how to start speaking with someone. So today I am planning to talk about this matter. You better know every language has rules and regulation, and we have to follow all the rules and regulation, so then we can get succeed. But you know, English, especially English, in the point of my view, you can improve English very soon if you do practice a lot, because practice is one of the best things for English language. If you devote more than 30 or 40 minutes, so you can improve your English language very soon. uh, I had already recommended an application for all the students of Waziristan that you should join Halo app, because it's one of the best and one of the useful application ever I experienced in my life. So we can get benefits. I mean, we can do practice for free, and the second thing, we can communicate in the real time with the exotic. And especially Halo provides many free classes for those students who are poor and who can't afford any fees or expenses, so they offer all the lessons for free. And if you want to study regular, so you can also study with them. If you want to pay them, so they offer you very quality education. So I recommend that platform to all the students of English language. And the second thing, which is which is the problem in the society. uh, we we cannot find any partner to speak, and also we better know that we don't have any environment to speak, to do practice with someone. So it is the one of the huge problem in our community. So don't worry. If you want to if you want to find a partner for speaking, so already we have a great WhatsApp group for English language students. You can join us. So in the description I will give you link of that group. You can join it. And the second thing, according to me, in the point of my view, online you can do practice. And especially if you look at YouTube is a huge platform where you can find many good videos. So if you go there, if you search good videos for beginner, so you can also get many benefits from YouTube as well, because on YouTube there are many good teachers. They work on YouTube, and they explain everything. They explain everything gradually, specifically, and I mean their teaching level is very easy. You can learn very soon, and I mean very clear. So I want to recommend you go to YouTube and search any video for beginner, and remember that you must to watch the video, every video, for more than five or six times repeatedly. You must watch that video repeatedly, so whenever you repeat the video, those things, those sentences will save in your mind directly, without preparation. And because uh, we if we listen a lot, so listening skill is important for learning, for speaking. If you listen a lot, so you will speak a lot. So it's my person suggestion, is a teacher, is a friend, that if you want to learn English language, go to YouTube and search any good video and watch it for many time. Then do practice, then implement those things on yourself. Then look yourself, how do you not improve your English language. So it was my first experience that I am live here. Thank you so much. So you better know I don't have more than 45 or 50 subscriber, but I'm very happy to to being with you people. Thank you so much, and I am going to public this video because it is my first time that I'm online on YouTube. Thank you. Take care. Huh?